Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with an iPhone. First, you will need to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding it until you see the Realme logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you like to use on your watch, select it, and then press or rather tap on the check mark to confirm. And after you select the language, you will see the QR code on the screen. It means you need to download and install the Realme Link application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. And once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon right here, then tap on the search bar and type in Realme Link and tap on search. You should see this application on the list, Realme Link, with this icon. Tap on it and then tap on the get button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. And once you open the application, you might get a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. As you can see here, we have the Bluetooth one. This one is required, so we need to tap on OK. And next we have the option to allow the Realme Link application to track your activity through the other apps and companies. I'm just gonna tap on Ask App to not track, but you can allow it if you want to. And then we can tap on Agree. Tap on Got it. And we can allow or deny the permission for the notifications. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, you need to allow this permission. But if you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. And once we're done with the permissions, you should see the list of regions basically, and we need to select our location. For example, I'm gonna select United Kingdom, then tap on Next, and this should bring you to the home page. Now, we need to log in into Realme Link account or Realme account. So let's tap on Me, tap on Register/sign in, and if you don't have an account, you can create account by tapping on Create Account right here. If you have an account, simply log in. I'm gonna use my email address and password, or rather enter them, so give me a second. Okay, and I logged in. And after you log in, you can go back to the home page of the applications, or rather application. Then tap on the plus button right here. Tap on Got it. And allow the permission for the location. Now the app should start looking for the nearby devices, and as you can see, it detected our Realme Watch 3 Pro. So let's tap on it. Tap on the check mark on the watch to confirm the pairing. Tap on Pair when you get this pop-up. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. And here we have option. Basically, we need to go to the Bluetooth settings on our iPhone and connect to the Realme Watch 3 Pro and this name. So tap on View. It's gonna basically show you how to do it. What we need to do is to go back to the, or rather, go to home screen on our iPhone. Open the settings on our iPhone, then tap on Bluetooth, and wait until Realme Watch 3 Pro appears on this list right here, because we have Realme Watch 3 Pro 2 on the list here on my devices, but there will be a second one right here on the list of other devices. Once you see it, tap on it, tap on Pair, tap on the check mark to connect it. And now you should see two devices of Realme Watch 3 Pro 2 something else on the list basically. Once you see two, you can close the settings and go back to the Realme Link application. Go back here. As you can see, it will say devices paired. Tap on Get Started. agree to the terms of use. Come on. Like this. And as you can see, we have also an update. So if you want to update the watch, you can tap on update and it's gonna be updating your watch automatically. So let's tap on update. And as you can see, we have update now, but I'm just gonna tap back for now and not update it because it will take some time. Anyway, we can also go now, or rather tap on our watch right here to open the list of, or rather device page for our watch. And it's gonna keep bugging me about this update, so I guess I won't be able to do anything before I update it. But you can access now the list, or rather the device page for your watch, and you can also wake up the screen on your watch and you can use it, which means that the device is paired with your iPhone. And that's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.